From Miss to Mrs. Pwede nang i-kiss.
Hi Bobs, mahal. Sa hinababa na tanagal nating magkasama, sa wakas nandito tayo sa araw na itinakda sa harap ng Panginoon, sa harap ng pamilya at kaibigan natin. Noon, pinapangarap natin na makasal tayo sa isa't isa. At eto, natupad din natin ang tayong dalawa.
Kalain mo, ikaw rin pala at ako. Promise, tumisis ko na.
Arisa, may one and only. Okay?
Oh, shucks.
May pomade. Ang gagawin ko dyan?
Mag-asawa na tayo. Sina ng apelyido. Akalain mo, ikaw rin pala at ako. Promise, tumisis. Akalain mo, ikaw rin pala at ako.
Hello, Babs. Diba, pareho tayo ng intro. Siyempre naman, first call sign natin yan nung mag-best friend pa lang tayo. Nagsimula sa, alam mo na, tamang crush kita, ang galing mo sumayaw. Simula nung nakita kitang sumayaw, palagi na kita gustong nakikitang sumayaw. Ang lagi kong request is, sayaw ka Babs, sayawin mo to, bagay sa'yo tong sayaw na to. At ako naman, tamang nood lang at tamang kilig kapag sumasayaw ka.
I've never loved someone like you before, and I know I'll never love anything more. I give you my all, you can take what you need. I give you my lungs if you need it to breathe.
Wendy, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Kevin na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Kevin, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Wendy na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
But there's no denying you've always been perfect for me, and there's not a thing in
Maraming pagsubok na duman at nagpatibay lalo ng relasyon natin. Yung tipong mapapasuko talaga tayo lalo ka na. Pero salamat dahil hindi mo ako sinukuhan ang relasyon natin. Kahit sobrang bigat na ng mga pagsubok na duman sa atin.
Wake up to you every day with your head on my chest.
Palagi nating tinuturuan ng isa't isa, tamang alalay palagi. Handang makinig sa chismis mo always. At ngayon na mag-asawa na tayo, lagi kong gagalingan as your partner in life. Pwede kang mapagod, matakot, umiyak at pwede rin maging ikaw lang. Let's share this journey together and build our little family.
I'll be a lie when you can't seem to find it. Lie on my shoulder when you feel like crying. You say you're not perfect, but there's no denying you've always been perfect for me. And there's not a thing in this world you can't tell me, 'cause I'll take the weight if it all gets too heavy. You say you're not worth it, but darling, you're perfect. You've always been perfect for me. Perfect for me.
Alam kong kaya mo palagi, Hal. May tiwala ko sa'yo always, simula umpisa pa lang. I love you so much, Hal. Asawa ko.
Perfect for me.
Kahit anong mangyari, pangako, ikaw at ikaw lang ang pipiliin ko at sasamahan ko panghabang buhay.
I'll be your light when you can't seem to find it. Lie on my shoulder when you feel like crying. You say you're not perfect, but there's no denying you've always been perfect for me.